You might not be able to feel it, but trust me, it's working. Welcome back to the Scale Builders Guild. Thanks again for watching. I wanted to share with you a product that I just picked up. It's this heated hoodie or sweater or jacket, as some people might call it. But this is the Iurek Heated Hoodie. And let me explain that for you. There is a 10,000 milliamp hour lithium ion battery pack in this jacket and a bunch of carbon heated coils that heat up areas around the jacket to keep you warm. And if you're like me, you have a cold workshop. This is basically a cold cellar. It's where somebody might store their fruits and vegetables for the winter because it's darn cold in here. And I've always kind of struggled with that. I've got a space heater that I sometimes use. I've even gone to the lengths of wearing a jacket in this room to stay warm. But I will tell you what, with this heated hoodie, I can do away with all those things and stay nice and toasty warm. And I thought that this was a good product to share with you because we like to go outside in this RC hobby, and not everywhere and not always is it going to be nice and warm outside. So having an extra layer like this that I can wear under my jacket, or even get one of Iurek's actual jackets, this is just going to make things a lot more comfortable for you on those long journeys outside with your RC trucks in the fall, winter, and spring. And you know what? Actually, I'm going to turn this down a little bit because it's a little bit hot. It's almost like I'm a low-grade Iron Man. Let me explain what you get in the package when you pick one of these hoodies up. You get, of course, this nice carrying bag that you can carry your hoodie in if you're not wearing it, I guess. You also get the lithium ion battery pack. This is a 10,000 milliamp hour battery pack. It doesn't take very long to charge. And you can also charge your phone if you're in a real pinch. You've got this pack with you, you just charge your phone. It's got a really nice handy display on there telling you how much battery life is remaining. You also get a wall charger for this battery pack. It comes with all the different options wherever you might live in the world for whatever kind of power supply there is there. And some handy instructions as well for how this garment operates, because it's like smart clothes, I guess. They offer hoodies just like this one. They offer jackets. They offer vests. So you can kind of tailor it to whatever kind of wardrobe or environment you're in. I like the idea of wearing the hoodie and then putting my traditional jacket over top. These are, of course, because it's a smart garment, it's a little more bulky than a standard kind of jacket or hoodie. But that's because there's technology in it. There are 3 heating settings, so if you find any of them to be uncomfortable or not comfortable enough, you can adjust it just with the press of a button on the light up logo here. When you initially start it up, there, we'll power it down. Let's start it up. Hold down for 3 seconds. It goes into preheat mode, so sort of like your oven, it's going to ramp up to its maximum temperature, and then it's going to level off and go to medium. If you find that that's not enough for you, you can just instantly switch it to medium, which is this sort of cool white, and then there is also low, which is the blue. If you want to go for max heat, go for red. And then, of course, 3 seconds to turn it off, and then it's just a regular everyday piece of clothing. Once you remove the battery pack, you can toss this in the washing machine. I would not recommend drying it. I think you should hang it to dry. But otherwise, yeah, just take the battery pack out and you're good to go. There are 3 heating zones, 2 right on either side of your chest here, and then there's a nice big patch in the back. I find that those are sort of the areas that I get the coldest in anyway. I always hunch up my back when I'm really cold, so it kind of makes sense to have that nice big heated patch on the back. And I gotta say, it's actually pretty toasty at max heat inside. You'll find that it really is suited to your taste, and you can sort of choose what sort of heating level you feel is best for you. I think it's a pretty cool product, and I thought it tied into the RC kind of market because we are outside a lot. And I don't like to be outside, if I'm honest, especially in this colder weather. And I've got a lot of projects coming up that I'm gonna need to be outside for. And the more I can do to be more comfortable and spend more time outside, the better. Do you live in an environment where cold is a factor? Do you like RCing in the winter? I know I do. Put a comment down below. You know I love reading through your feedback, and I try to answer as many of them as I can. If you're enjoying this video, hit the like button, subscribe if you haven't already, and ring that notification bell so you get updates anytime there's a new video from the Scale Builders Guild. Speaking to the quality of the garments and the fit, that's something that's really important. This hoodie I got in the extra large, and I'm a pretty big guy, I'm 6'2", but I find the sleeve length to be just about perfect. The quality is really excellent though. Nice kind of microfiber on the inside, so that keeps you nice and toasty as well. Really nice quality metal ends on all of the straps and the zipper, and yeah, just really good. Nice big deep hood too, so if you want to have that up, keep your ears warm, that helps as well. Overall though, really impressive piece of tech. Definitely something that I'm pretty keen to have now, part of my repertoire for when I'm filming in the winter, and being in the workshop, this cold, horrible workshop. So there you go, the Iurek line of heated apparel. I will put a link down below if you're interested in picking one of these up. Otherwise, that's gonna do it. Thank you so much for watching. Quick episode today, but something I wanted to share with you because I thought it was relevant to this hobby and something that I'm pretty happy with. Thanks so much for watching. See you again soon.